I'm Joe from Aqualabs. Welcome to a series where we take a look at the key ingredients that make our products work so well.
Today's product is Shogun Samurai Hydro. The first ingredient is Shogun Smart Zen Yield Maximizer, a blend of unique compounds, carbs, and elements that have astounding effects on the growth of your crops. Shogun Samurai Hydro is a specialized hydronutrient designed for the experienced growers and is ideal for those who want to have ultimate control. With that in mind, we've increased the levels of nitrogen and decreased the levels of phosphorus in the growth stage, while lowering nitrogen and increasing phosphorus in the bloom stage. While in the hard water version, there is higher acidity, which is better for buffering. Remember to ensure your EC before choosing which nutrient to take. But when in doubt, always choose soft water with a lower pH.